Why are classification models hard to maintain in production? Imagine building a machine that learns to tell apples from oranges. It sounds simple, but keeping that machine working well over time is quite a challenge. That's what makes maintaining classification models in real-world settings tricky. When you train a classification algorithm, you use data that shows examples of different categories. But once you put that model into production, things change. The data it sees every day might be different from what it learned from. This change is called data drift or concept drift. For example, if a model was trained to detect spam emails, new types of spam might appear that it has never seen before. That can cause the model to make more mistakes. Another issue is class imbalance. Sometimes, the rare events or categories are very hard to catch. For example, detecting a rare disease in medical data or spotting a fraudulent transaction. These are important but happen very infrequently. The model might ignore these rare cases or flag too many false alarms. Keeping the right balance between catching real issues and avoiding false positives is a constant struggle. Features are also a problem. Features are the pieces of information the model uses to make decisions. If new sensors are added or data collection methods change, the features might no longer match what the model expects. This can make the model less accurate. To fix this, you need to keep an eye on how features behave and sometimes redesign them. Monitoring is another big part of maintaining these models. You need to watch how well the model is performing by checking metrics like accuracy or how many false positives it makes. If performance drops, you need to understand why. Sometimes, models need retraining with new data. But retraining is not simple. It involves gathering fresh data, testing the new model, and deploying it without causing disruptions. This process needs good systems and rules to prevent errors or bias from creeping in. Tools like artificial intelligence and machine learning help with this. For example, some plugins and monitoring tools can automatically detect when data drifts or performance drops happen. They alert teams so they can update models quickly. In the end, keeping classification models in production is a balancing act. You need to manage changing data, handle rare but important cases, monitor performance constantly, and update models carefully. It's a continuous process that needs good planning, automation, and ongoing attention. That's why maintaining these models is more than just training once and forgetting about them. It's about making sure they keep doing their job well over time.